What's going on, everyone? Got a 22 Kia Soul here. I'll show you today how to pull out the cabin filter. It's going to be located behind your glove box. We're going to need to lower the glove box door. We're going to need to disconnect this damper first. All you need to do is just pull on it like that. And then we're going to need to lower the glove box. To do that, we're going to need to take these stoppers, push them in the glove box, so the glove box will come down. Okay. Now with the glove box down, we have this door right here that we need to take off. That's what holds the cabin filter, is this compartment here. So I'm gonna take these two clips and squeeze them together, and the door will come right off. Just note on the left side, the door goes back in like this. Okay. Here's our filter. It's gonna be pretty clean because this car is pretty new. So we're just gonna check it out and see what we got. If you need a filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box. They'll take you to Amazon and get you a new filter for your Kia Soul. And when you get your new one, just reverse install how you took this one out. Put the door back in. Left side first, click. With the glove box, all you have to do is close it and then hook the damper back up. And we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.